drones, robots, mobile phones, gadgets, and healthcare devices. All this stem from electronic and computer engineering. Hello, I'm Professor Wing Hong Kee, the UG Associate Head of the Department of Electronic and Computer Engineering at HKUST. In this talk, I will briefly introduce to you what ECE is all about and what you will learn in this major to start building your future. We live in an ever-changing world. Let me ask you these questions. What is engineering? And I can assure you that the fundamental objective of engineering is to make people's life easier. ECE is one engineering field that turns imagination into reality. Just look around and you will find that all smart devices in your daily life, such as LED lighting, touchscreen technology, pico projectors, intelligent robots, all serve as examples, thanks to electronic and computer engineering. Here are two photos of Hong Kong, one probably taken 60 years ago, and one is Hong Kong today. Can you spot the differences? We, the engineers, change the world and the way we interact with the world. The Hong Kong University of Science and Technology was established almost 30 years ago. The most famous one is the company DJI, which was set up by our ECE alumnus Frank Wong. You may not know the name DJI, but I'm sure that you have seen those drones flying in the sky taking photos. DJI currently occupies 80% of the world's civil drones market. Its business has been doing very well in recent years. This inspiring and encouraging drone story just started off in the dormitory on HKUST campus. So, what is electronic and computer engineering? What are you going to study in this major? There are many ways to answer these questions. The one that I prefer is this. We build smart devices and efficient systems to connect the world. There are three categories of things that we do. First, we build smart devices such as amplifiers, integrated circuits, sensors, LEDs. Once you have all these components, you can use them to build efficient systems such as smartphones, computers, and robots. Lastly, you can use communication systems to connect the world. I'm sure you have heard of a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE. These are communication protocols that devices use to talk to each other. Now, let's look at the area that you are going to study one by one. The first area is solid-state electronics and photonics, where semiconductor materials are used to construct computers, solar panels, flexible displays, fiber optics, LEDs, and OLEDs. The second area is integrated circuits and systems, and you may have heard of CPU, GPU, microprocessors, thumb drives that are the brains and hearts of all smart devices. The technology is so advanced that the CPU of an iPhone has more transistors than the population of the world. And this is the reason why a mobile phone is so powerful, that you can make phone calls, take pictures, surf the internet, and play video games. The third area is control and robotic systems. In fact, many manufacturing jobs are done by robots, such as fully automated assembly lines, molding, welding, and we are all familiar with drones and robot toys. Robots are developed to handle life-threatening jobs such as fire site rescues. The fourth area is wireless communications and networking. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE, 4G, 5G, NFC, satellite, and of course, we have the internet that enables you to watch this talk. The fifth area is data science and artificial intelligence. Using communication systems, you can collect massive data from around the world. Then you can make intelligent decisions based on the data. And this is what we call data science and artificial intelligence. In the 21st century, one important technology is information technology. Think about the most successful companies in the world. What are they? What do they do? You have heard of Google, and Google provides you useful information to make your daily life easier. Facebook allows you to post photos and stories. Your fans give you a like and makes you happy. And Facebook delivers information from you to your friends. You can think of Uber, Airbnb, Tencent, and Alibaba. They all work on data. In the 21st century, the second most important technology is probably biomedical engineering. Let's look back into the history. During the Industrial Revolution, we built machines, cars, trains, and airplanes. That is, we build things that are stronger and faster. During the Information Revolution, we build computers that are smarter. If we can build stronger machines and smarter computers, how about we use these technologies to strengthen our body, to cure disease, and to heal humans? And this is the area of biomedical engineering. The above are some areas of ECE studies. So what kind of jobs can you pursue after you graduate? On the left pie chart, you can see 80% of our graduates are employed immediately after graduation, and 13% went for further study, such as a master or a PhD. There are students who will start their own business or may take a gap year. The nature of their job is not only restricted to engineering. From the pie chart on the right, you can see 50% of the graduate works in the field of engineering, while 40% work in the IT industry, and some work in the education sector. In terms of engineering jobs, our graduates can assume such positions as hardware, software, firmware engineers, technical analysts, and back-end developers. If you join ECE, besides taking courses, you will have a lot of learning opportunities ranging from working in projects to engaging in competitions. You may have heard of our HKUST robotic team. They have been doing very well, both locally and internationally, and you have the chance to join, learn, and compete with students from all around the world. Through the years, our students have the chance to travel abroad and have won many local and international competitions. Our programs are accredited by the Hong Kong Institution of Engineers. Graduates continue to excel in their career and professional training even after leaving HKUST. Our ECE students' final year projects are also recognized by the industry and capable of receiving awards. If you are interested in any of the above areas, or if you have any questions, please visit our ECE department website. There are 3 contact points that you can send emails, and we are happy to answer your questions. I hope by now you have a better understanding of electronic and computer engineering. In addition to the traditional study of circuits and communication systems, we also focus on robots and artificial intelligence that caters to the needs of the society. If you are planning to study and build your career in ECE to build a better world, I hope that I can see you all soon at the HKUST campus. Thank you.